Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to discuss the second part of 7 segment display, that is in the decoders. So let's get started. Actually in the previous video we have already discussed about the first part, the 7 segment display, the basic things we have already saw. So what is actually meant by 7 segment and the decoder. These remaining terms we are going to judge from 0 to 9 because we have only 9 outputs, means 10 outputs basically from 0 to 9 if you consider, and the remaining terms on and all things that are considered as don't care terms. So in this video we are going to apply all the the outputs, that is from A to A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We are going to apply all the things in the K-map and we are going to obtain final output expressions. If you observe this is the truth table of the 7 segment display. If you observe, we have inputs B3, B2, B1, B0, and we have outputs A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So these are the truth table we have already discussed in the previous video. So I am giving the video in the description box, check it out. And let's decode one by one. So the equations that you are looking there, that equation of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, that we are going to derive with the help of K-map now. I hope you know the basic rules of K-map. So let us first consider the column of A. So if you consider there, all the minterms should be written in the 4x4 K-map. So that is 4 variable K-map. So the remaining things except the minterms, remaining things will be zeros up to 9. But after 9, the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15 will be don't care terms. So we should not consider them as 0 because we don't know them. So because this is 7 segment display, we have total 10 outputs from 0 to 9. So we don't know some values, that is from 11 to 15. So instead of taking 0, we have to consider as don't care terms. So let's start making groups. So I hope you know the rules of making groups. So if you don't know, I am giving the video of making of rules in K-map. So check it out. So if you consider this is the largest group in this, so that is in the from position, the changing output would be just B3 because B3 is not changing in the 2 rows. Next biggest group is that I can say is that highlighted in a green box, that you can observe there. You can take total 8 elements in that. So that is the B1 because B1 is not changing in that columns. If you observe B1, B0, B1, B0 bar, B1 is not changing, so B1 is output for that group. So after that we have left the 2 positions, that is in the 0th position and 5th position. The 2 ones can be covered. So 0th position can be covered with the help of the 4 group, that the group in the 4 elements highlighted in a purple color, that is B2 bar, B0 bar. The minterm can be grouped as 4 elements as you seeing there, that is 5, 7, 13, 15. So this is the group of B2, B0. Finally, if you combine all the groups, you are going to have the output expression for A, that is B3 plus B1 plus B2 bar, B0 bar plus B2, B0. So this is the final expression for the output A in the 7 segment display. Next thing in the truth table is the B. So if you consider those are the minterms in the B, so fill out all those things except 5 and 6. So remaining all things can be filled with the help of don't care. So let's see that. The remaining things, that is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these are we don't know. So as in the previous case only, we are going to mark it as don't cares, and we can make group of that largest group, that is B3 in position. Then we can make another group of 8 elements like you are seeing there, that is in the position 1st row, and the 4th row you can make as a group of 8 elements, that is the corner grouping. Then you can see we can make group of 4 elements, that is in the purple color, and another one is orange color. We can make all that. After that there is no remaining left over. So this is the final output expression for the B. So B3 plus B1 B0 plus B2 bar plus B1 bar B0 bar. So if you have confused, check it out, just color match the groups with the colors, same group same color. Next thing in the truth table that we are going to see is C. So for the expression C, that those are the minterms according to the given format or the required format. So fill out those minterms in that K-map. So after filling that with the don't cares also, you are going to look that. Directly jump over. So last, that is blue group, can be marked directly because we can make group of 8 elements. Next group of 8 elements is green. Next group of 8 elements is purple. Next group of 8 elements is the orange one. All are very big groups, so we can get minimal expression, that is the C expression that you can see down over there. The next expression is for D. So for the D, from the truth table we have in the positions 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 9. According to that, I am filling the K map. So after filling K map, remaining things 0 up to 9, and after 9 that all should be filled with don't cares. So directly jump over the largest group, that is blue group. We can consider that is a group of 8 elements. So the next group is the yellow group. You can see that is 2, 6, 14, and finally that is in the 10. So that is group of 4 elements. Next group of 4 elements is in the purple one, that is corner grouping. Still we have left over 2 ones, that is in the position of 3 and 5. For covering the position of 3, we are going to make group of 4 elements, that is 3, 2, 11 and 10. So that 3 in the position of 3 is covered. So for the covering of 5, we the largest possible group is 5 and 13. So make group of 2 elements. So that is the group. So you can see there are total 5 groups. So we can obtain the D expression as the 5 elements or 5 terms in that. So you can see the output expression for D. Next, if you observe the output expression for E, so you can see there are only 4 min terms in that, remaining all are zeros except the after the 9th position there are you have to fill with don't cares. So fill that in the K map. Help of just 2 groups we can complete all the ones in this K map. So if you observe, corner group is one thing and the 4 elements in a one group, that is 2, 4, 14, 10, with the 2 groups whole ones are covered. The next expression is F. So if you observe 0, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, we are going to fill these min terms in the K map. After filling that, you are going to see there are total 4 zeros. So remaining 4 zeros you have to fill remaining ones. So after 9 you have to fill with don't cares. For the output expression for F, so the largest group in this also, that is blue group of 8 elements. So next group is group of 4 elements 0, 4, 12, 8. Next also we can do the 2 groups, that is the 2 for covering the 6th position and 5th position. You can observe we can make group of 4 elements 6, 14, 4, 12 of group of 4 elements. For covering 5 we can make group of 4 elements. So the output expression of F you can see over there. Last and final one of the 7 segment display is the output of G. So according to the format in the truth table, we are going to fill all the min terms in the K map. Finally, we can cover all the ones in the K map with the help of just 4 groups, that is the largest group blue group, and we can cover the remaining ones with the help of another 3 groups that you are seeing there as the same format that we have discussed already 6 things, and make groups and make the output expression. I hope you understood all the things, all the 7 segments in the 7 segment display, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, means 7 outputs we are going to obtain. If you want this, we can also draw the circuit diagrams, or because we have already the output expressions based on B1, B0, B2, B3, we have these 4 out variables. So we can draw simply the 7 output terms with the simple circuit also we can draw. So this is a thing in 7 segment display. I hope you understood this thing. So thanks for watching up to now.